Hey, another quick tip for you. What is an appraisal? So, when you are representing the buyers and you are getting financing, whether it's conventional financing, FHA financing, VA financing, USDA, and you can even have it on cash deals as well, you will have to get an appraisal. The appraisal is ordered by the lender. It is a third party evaluation of the market price. Your buyers pay for that upfront to the lender. The appraisal will not be ordered until the buyers pay for it. So remember, the lender orders it, and that order is triggered by the buyer paying for it, typically. In regard to cash deals, you can choose to have the home appraised if you are paying cash. For the most part, it will not have any bearing on the deal, meaning if it underappraises or overappraises, it won't matter. Your clients are going to pay the cash amount unless specifically stated in the cash exhibit. And we'll talk about that later. So just know, for typical financing deals, the appraisal will be ordered by the lender and paid for by the buyer upfront.